One of the things we need for the FF&E in a project is to generate reports like this. We have a list of the furniture and the people who's supposed to be selecting those items. We go here, then owner would probably purchase this, then management would be selecting the task chairs in the office, if I could spell it right. And then the other report they sometimes ask for is the chart where it just says the people selecting it or the company selecting it, and then we just say yes or put an X there. For this case, we'll put yes. For the fitness, which is supposed to be following this. The furniture fitness would be yes for the oops, wrong. And you could see where the error is gonna occur. We might forget who chooses which based on this. Of course, we could always just insert that guide there and we could look at who does what. But to make it more interesting, put a conditional format. That way it looks color-coded and it's easier to spot. But then, as you have seen earlier, it was easy to make a mistake when I chose the interior designer to choose the fitness equipment. So let's try to avoid that mistake. We will use key schedules or schedule keys. So we'll do a schedule quantities, cancel that, furniture, schedule keys. We'll choose the architect, fitness consultant. We'll try to do it in the same order as this. Consultant, interior designer, management, owner, security company, and tenant. Okay, the parameter name we're using here is furniture style, but we'll rename this to furniture selector. We'll count how many consultants we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or selectors. So we go modify schedule, insert data row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And then we'll fill out the same names as what we have on those selector names. So I'm going to copy, I have a list here. I'll just copy paste each one of them. So we have it in the same order and put yes on each one of them. So fitness consultant, and tenant. Now going back to this schedule by chart, take it out. And then we add the furniture selector instead. Now with the furniture selector, it's easier because with this, we just choose the bed king goes with the fit interior designer, architect, and now this is empty here, but as soon as I put architect, it's gonna fill this up. Interior designer, and let's just assume that the task chair is chosen by the management of the office. Same here. You get the picture here. So owner would be choosing that furniture, and this one here, it says none here, but when you put fitness consultant and we scroll down and start putting fitness consultant, then security company would be the security TV monitor. Security company, and right there you see we have a problem. Let's go back to the furniture style selector, and I accidentally put an apostrophe. Now let's go back to that, and it color coded and it shows that. So that's how it works. And we duplicate this view For this report, you could just hide. And now you have that report. And then you have this report. You could do the same thing. Hide the furniture selector. You have two reports. And anytime you make a change on that furniture selector field, it automatically changes on this. Let's say this costume lounge chair is going to be selected by the architect. We go here and we say custom. It's going to be selected by the architect. And you go back and you have that. And we'll finally get to the down here. We go back to the chart. Every column has been filled out and color coded.